This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Lori Dujmovic. The most affordable 3-bed, 2 full bath home in Lynden. The best part? This lovely home comes with a fully furnished living room, kitchen, laundry room, dining room, master bedroom, electric fireplace, and a barbecue on your back deck. This home is in a desirable park with no age restrictions. This updated, just shy of 1,300 square feet, offers a gorgeous view of Mount Baker, ample parking, and it is a gardener's paradise. The yard is a peaceful retreat with a lot of privacy that you can enjoy year-round. 30-year architecture roof and new skylights, and gutters installed September 2012, with updated lighting, natural gas stovetop and oven, with a designated space for a freestanding gas fireplace. The Mo. Park